Bullshot Nerf for today, and look, I said we're going to be doing more of my pistol arsenal, and as you know, last video we already did all those, but now we're on to a new one, so let's get started. So first we have a Cosby Air Warriors, I'm pretty sure. This is the Baron. This is an Air Max Air Warriors Baron. Well, it's two Mega Darts. Comes with sticky Mega Darts that are blue and yellow. And it also fires Mega Darts. So, yeah. Then we have another Mega Gun. This is the Mega Big Shot. Well, it's two darts, one here, one and to fire it, one extra for storage. Next we have a Vortex gun that doesn't even work, but I mean it's still a pistol. I still have some discs. I only have two though. And yeah. Ta-da! I don't want to waste a battery. Yeah, and a tactical rail on the top, but it kind of covered up with tiger tape. And that was my brother, like I said. Yeah. And we have the Triad, 3 darts. And then we have another Busby gun. It holds 2, 4, 6 guns. And wait 1 second.
Stop! Ow, jeez, gosh. Dude, kidding me. Stop.
Alright. Yeah, we're back, and hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.